Okay, some people are very confused by the assignment for today and just exactly what they're supposed to be recording. So I'm going to go over two different ways you can approach recording your tutorials. The first way is following the book step by step. So let's say that I am going to choose the tutorial Formatting with Fonts on page Word 50. What I can do is follow the tutorial step by step. So I would say something like, after you open your Word document, you can scroll the document to get a feel for its contents. Then you can press the Control Home key on your keyboard to come up to the top and press Control A to select the entire document. Then you're going to come up to the font group in the Home tab, and you're going to click on the pointer arrow next to the font, and you're going to choose Garamond. So you have to scroll through the list and until you come to Garamond, and then you click it. Dragging the pointer down the font list allows you to preview how the selected text will look in the highlighted font. Clicking a font name applies the font. The font of the flyer that we're working on here changes to Garamond. You can also click the font size box. We're going to click on the down box and choose size 12. Dragging the pointer over the different font sizes can also give you a preview of what it will look like to change to different font sizes. We're just going to choose 12. Then you're going to select Quest Specialty Travel Last Minute Travel Deals. Click the font list arrow, and we're going to choose Trebuchet. So we're going to scroll down the list until we get to the T's, and we're going to select Trebuchet MS. We're going to make it 22 points, so you click the size arrow, choose 22, and click the bold button. Then we're going to click the font color list arrow. A gallery of colors opens, and we're going to choose purple accent for darker 25. If you hover your mouse over top of each of the colors, it will show you the name of that color. And I'm going to choose the second to the last one in the purple column. Now we're going to select the Rajasthan Desert Safari heading, and using the mini toolbar, so when you hover your mouse over a highlighted area, you're going to get, when you highlight this, you're going to get a little mini toolbar possibility. If you right click on it, it'll pop up as well. This is the little mini toolbar down here. And we're going to select Trebuchet from this list. Now we've got it shortcutted at the top. We're going to choose the font size and select 14. And we're going to select the drop-down list here. I'm sorry, we're going to just, it defaulted to purple, so we're going to select purple. And then we're going to click bold. After we've done that, we're just going to press Control Home to go back to the top. So I hope that gave you a nice overview of the different ways you could format with fonts. Okay guys, so that's one way to approach it. Another way that people are approaching it is they're bringing up a blank document and they're sort of getting a vibe for the tutorial that they chose, and they are just sort of ad-libbing their own tutorial. So if you chose formatting fonts, some people are just typing some words on the screen and then explaining how to format, which would include highlighting and experimenting with the different formatting options that were gone over in the tutorial, which is font, size, style, color, etc. So there are two different approaches, and feel free to choose either one, and I hope this helps. And then when you're done, you're going to save your first tutorial and submit it in the first tutorial Dropbox link, and then move on to your second tutorial and your third tutorial.